the solar battery has been really beneficial. The experience with AGL was just quick and easy. The connection was quick, clean, and done. That battery allows us to great utilise the free energy that we get. So it allows us to use the energy that we made during the day. We actually continue to use that same solar energy all the way through the night. Even if it didn't make absolute dollars and cents every time, there's still that, I think, satisfaction in having that self-sufficiency. The virtual power plant is a way for batteries at lots of people's houses to work together to provide backup power when it's needed. So the virtual power plant should help us reduce our dependence on fossil fuel generators to provide that grid stability, and it really does help support the community in the rest of the grid around us, and that's great. Overall, holistically, it's a better way for us to go.